we've only been using Redline for about, I don't know, 6 months, I believe. We are also transitioning from another big tool. I don't know if some of you guys have heard. It's Apica. With Apica, we had been working for the last 3 or 4 years, I believe. Um, Also, one of the main drivers for us was costs. We were paying very expensive bills with this company. But when it was time to renew the contract, we started trying to find alternative solutions for load testing. So we started working on the POC. POC, we want to do um, our own load testing framework. When we started digging into it, it turned out it wasn't as easy or as straightforward as it seemed. We started doing some research, investigation, trying to see how we could spin up all our EC2 instances. So we did lack a lot of knowledge about that. So that POC wasn't going to be that easy as we initially planned. So we came across Redline during this research time. It provided us most of the features, most of the requirements we needed. We had the scripting ability with the team. So what Redline provided was exactly what we were trying to create with this framework. So when we had a demo, when we had the trial, it turned out to be very successful for us. We started working on this POC. Our senior manager really liked it, so they gave us a go to work fully on this POC with Redline. So as I mentioned, it was very successful for us. One of the main drivers was the cost. We're still working on the transition since we are in between projects. We're doing a major architecture in the backend, one of our main projects. So we're still doing this transition, but it's been very successful within our team, with the senior management. The results have been very good for everyone. They are what they wanted at the beginning was to have the same sort of information, the same sort of analysis capabilities that we have with the other tool, and we have been able to provide this with Redline. We have also been trying to include some additional features, like some integration with Grafana. That's what we're doing on our own. Chris has also been very helpful with some of the suggestions, some of the changes that we've discussed in the past. Those have been some of them have been added with no time. Chris has been mentioning this to us. So I think the features that Redline has provided us has been very helpful for our team. Also, the quick response you have for these changes, these updates, the openness to adapt to our needs, it's proven very valuable for us. So hopefully by early next year we can do a fully transition to Redline, which is what we're aiming for. We don't really want to renew the previous contracts that we had with other companies. So we're really looking forward to this fix successful. Chris has also been very vigilant, very close to our progress. He that's also something we appreciated. So that type of customer service is very valuable to us. So I think it's great what you're doing. It's been very helpful for us. And well, thank you guys for all this.